The most direct way to say I love you in German is Ich liebe dich. This is serious. It's not something you throw around casually. You'd say this when you're deeply in love, like in a long-term relationship. Don't use this too early in a relationship. It can come across as too intense. The softer version. If Ich liebe dich is too strong, you can say Ich hab dich lieb. This is used more for family, close friends, or a relationship that's still growing. It's emotional, but not as heavy as Ich liebe dich. Don't say Ich hab dich lieb in a romantic moment. Your partner might think you're avoiding saying Ich liebe dich. When you're attracted to someone. If you're crushing on someone but not ready to drop the L word, say Ich stehe auf dich.
Ich stehe auf dich.
Ich mag dich.
Ich mag dich.
Don't say Ich stehe auf dich to your partner of 5 years. It's way too weak. The wrong ways to say it. Ich liebe es dich. Ich liebe du. Ich verehre dich. Now, you know how to say I love you in German, and how not to. Which phrase was new for you? Comment below. And if you want to sound like a native, check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe.